Hello everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive. In this video I would like to show you how to fix your air temperature sensor if you have the same issue as I'm having on this 2018 Honda Civic Si. This procedure should work for 2016 so far through 2021, maybe 2022 Civic. Check this out. When I turn my ignition on, right in the bottom of my cluster, you could see it says -40, and then a few seconds later it's going to change just to those three dashes, three lines. All right, and I connected with my computer. I pulled the trouble code B like boy 1227 and open in the outside air temperature sensor. So first thing we did, we went ahead and checked out the air temperature sensor, and I'll show you the location. Alright, so here's what I had to do. I pulled the headlight, I went ahead and disconnected air temperature sensor. It's located on the Honda Civic right over here in a rebar. So for me it would be a lot easier to pull the headlight off and to check it out. So first thing I did, I went ahead and replaced, I had a parts vehicle, so I pulled the sensor from another vehicle and I replaced the sensor. That did not fix the issue. Next, what I did, I thought maybe the car was sitting for a while, maybe a mouse or something got in and chewed up a wire, because I had that happen before, where mice gets inside your dashboard if the car sits for quite some time, or chipmunk. Some people leave their cars for a couple months outside, and that's what happens. I thought maybe there was a problem with wiring, so I did continuity test from here all the way. I opened this fuse box. There's a junction connection. I did continuity to there. Everything came out perfectly fine. Then from here, I did continuity test into this fuse box, and continuity test was fine. And then from here, I went inside the car, and here's what I found. I'm going to show you the problem is. Okay, I am on the passenger side of the vehicle. I had to remove the glove box, and I also had to remove the shield in the bottom of the glove box. Right there, you're looking at, it's called climate control module. It's located on the passenger side of your blower motor for the heater, on the heater, right on the side. It's mounted by two 7mm bolts from the side. You really have to, it's kind of difficult to get in there, but the best way I found to go from on the bottom, let me see if I get my light there. The best way to go is from the bottom, and there's one all the way in the back, and there's one that's on top. And there's two connectors. I'll show you what it looks like. I have a module from a parts vehicle right here. This is what the module looks like. It's a climate control module, and it's got 24-pin connector, and it's got 32-pin connector. So I also did continuity test, so my wires were fine. I didn't have to worry about the wiring. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and replace this module, and then I'm going to turn ignition on and see if it fixes our problem. Alright, as you can see, here's what I did. Before changing the module, I had a parts vehicle, as I said. So this is where the two connectors look like. And my old module's still back there. You could see it's still back there. But before, removing it and changing it, I want to verify and make sure it fixes the problem. So I just plugged it in. And I'm going to go ahead and turn ignition on and see if my air temperature shows up on the dash. Okay, moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and turn ignition on. Bingo. As you can see, it's 79 degrees. Everything is working. If your air temperature is off by a couple degrees, then you can go in from your radio settings. You got to go into vehicle settings, and you could adjust. I think it allows you to change up to 10 degrees or 9 degrees up or down if it's slightly off. But other than that, that's it for this video. This was George with Melnick's Automotive.